What is up, guys? I'm Kyle at Fortune, and today we're doing our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Oh. Whoa, my gosh, it is hot out here. I don't know what it's like where you're at, but it's like over 100 here in my driveway. Got everything in the back of the Colorado. We are going over all the stuff that's going to be in the giveaway. It's not a huge thing, but there's 4 different winners that are going to come out of this, and it's absolutely free. You don't have to do anything. A lot of people are asking, why do you do a giveaway? What do you get out of it? Well, we don't get anything out of it. It's stuff that is either given to us by some companies, or it's stuff that we just buy and give it away for you guys. Really, the reason why we do it is it's just a thank you. We love all of our subscribers. Every time I go out on the trail now, I'm running into people that are subscribed, and it's so fun to meet you guys, hand out some stickers, exchange some information, and then we've gone on trail runs with some of you guys, just getting to chat with you on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. It's a huge blast. You guys are super supportive of the channel, and we just love you guys. We're really thankful that you guys are here supporting our channel, so thank you. Let's check out the prizes that we're giving away in this giveaway. All right, so the first thing we've got from Rhino USA is the 7/8 by 20 foot long Kinetic recovery rope. Now, this is something that I wanted for a long time, and I still don't have one. When I ordered this, I was kind of like, maybe I should just keep this. But no, I'm not going to do it. That one's going out to you guys. So that rope is black and gray, I believe. Then we've got the Rhino USA Ultimate Toe Strap and D-Ring Shackle Set Combo. So it's their 3-inch wide by 20 foot recovery toe strap. That's just a normal one, not Kinetic. And then it's got 2 3/4 D-ring shackles on there, so you can throw them on your bumper or just use them for recovery or whatever. But I love this stuff. I've got these ones on the Colorado, and I also have one on the front of the Samurai that I use. So these were given to us by Suzuki Samurai of America. Thank you very much, guys. These are a set of front and rear marker lights. These are the LED ones that I've got on the Samurai. They're awesome. Really like them. Crushed one of them on the Samurai rear bumper. Thing still works. The other one's completely gone. Rest in peace. But yeah, these are awesome. I really like how these look. So that's a cool option to have for this giveaway. And then the last set, how do you open this dang thing? There we go. So this is the Fortune Off-Road coffee mug. Got the label font on the back. Looks pretty cool. And I'll also be throwing in a couple stickers in here. Some really nice die cut stickers. And then we're going to throw in one of these Fortune Off-Road white decals as well, so that'll be in there for you. Not a bad haul, right? I think there's some cool stuff in there. I personally would like to have all of these things. I already have the coffee mug, but you can't have too many, right? I think the stuff from Rhino USA is really awesome. I use a ton of it, so hopefully that works out well for whoever wins that. So that's the question. How do you win it? It's super easy, totally free. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and then go down there in the comments and just write which one do you want to win. I'll just be using a program to randomly select one of the comments, and the first person that says they want the Kinetic rope, it's going to them. First person that says they want the D-ring shackle, they're getting that, and so on. If you don't care what you get, you want all of it, write that. That'll probably be the easiest way to win, because whatever's left over, that's what you're gonna get. We usually do only the continental US, but you know what, I'm feeling crazy. We'll mail stuff out to Alaska and Hawaii. But guys, it's only folks in the US. Maybe later on we'll get a better shipping program going on to where we can afford to send it out to you guys. We'll make this a quick one so everybody doesn't have to wait, and I don't have to wait, and we'll get the stuff shipped out. So get your responses in and like this video as soon as you can. That way we can call this done. And let's look forward to 10,000. I mean, geez, it's kind of crazy to even think that we would someday have that many subscribers. We are super thankful for every one of you guys. So thank you for sticking around. No idea what we'll do for 10,000. Gonna have to be something big though. Guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel. We really appreciate it. Love seeing you guys out on the trail. See you next time.